Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make international transfers from DNB. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make an international transfer for DNB using app, first what you need to do is prepare the information you need. Before you start, make sure you have the recipient's name, the recipient's account number in the correct international format, using IBAN number, the recipient's bank or BIC or SWIFT code, the currency you want to send, for example Euro or USD, and if needed, the recipient address. Then make sure international payments are selected or activated. Fitting to DNB to do an international payment via the app, you must have activated international payments in the online bank first. If you don't have that, you can activate in your DNB net bank by simply heading over to the browser and then on the search bar typing in DNB and then simply logging in, and under the settings simply select international payments and activate it. Then once done, simply head over and open up the DNB application and log in using your usual method like bank ID, PIN or etc. Then once logged in on the home screen, simply tap on pay option right here. Then once you tap on pay, choose the option for international payment, and then once done, enter the recipient details like recipient's name, IBAN account number, SWIFT or BIC code of the recipient's bank, and choose the currency in which you want to send the money. If needed, simply type in the recipient's address as well. Then if you are sending to a European country, DNB will automatically decide between SCPA payment or a European payment based on the information you give, and SCPA payments are in Euro and use IBAN. European payments can be in the local European currency. The app shows you which type is being used and how much the payment cost. And next is to review the costs and fees by checking the fee that DNB will charge for this international transfer. Note that DNB does not control what fees the recipient banks might charge, and also check exchange rate if you are sending in another currency, and then simply enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm you are comfortable with the currency conversion and amount in foreign currency. Then next is to confirm and send the payment. Double check all the details and confirm and authorize the payment. Then after sending, the app should show a confirmation page or receipt, and you may want to take a screenshot or note down the reference number in case you need to check later. Depending on the recipient's country, the money may arrive in 1 to 3 business days, especially for Europe, and if anything goes wrong or the money doesn't arrive, you can contact DNB support in that as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.